Okay, here we are down here at Delta Flats after the first heavy rain. Let's see what it looks like. Gotta pick up this pile of wood when we come back. Oh yeah, she's moving quite fast. Izzy! Where's Izzy? Don't go in that water, Izzy. I don't think we're gonna be able to get to the pump. We can try. Look at it, it's quite wide. It's moving at quite a rate. It was even higher earlier this morning. Go ahead, Sock. Oh boy, we're gonna have to tread water to get to it. We still have a ways to go too. We're gonna have to take the other direction. Izzy, come back. I'll snap the camera back on when we get to the other way in.